Hi, how are you? Right now, I am here inside the store and we are going to learn different fruits. As you can see here, there are lots of grapes and we call this as uvas in Tagalog and Bicol. We have here watermelon, pakwan. This one are grapes, uvas. This is coconut yang fresh, and we call this as buko. This one is avocado. We call it in Tagalog and Bicol as avocado. These are kiwi. Same thing, we call this as kiwi. This is papaya. Same thing, we call this as papaya. These are mango. And we call this as mangga in Tagalog and in Bicol. These are guava. And we call it in Tagalog and Bicol bayabas. This is pomegranate and we call it as granada. These are small guava, maliit na bayabas. These are lemon. We call it in Tagalog and Bicol limon. Nectarine. Same thing. We call this as nectarine. These are peaches. We call it as melacoton or melocoton. These are plum, and we call this as ciruelas. These are oranges, and we call it as dalandan or dalanghita. This is pineapple, and we call it as piña. Cantaloupe, and we call this as melon. Banana, saging. Apple, and we call it as manzanas. This is peras. You also have the brown one, brown pear, and it's the same thing. It's a peras. We call it in Tagalog and Bicol. Thank you for joining me again in this video. Have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you again in my next video. Bye.